Ever wondered what powers the most intelligent electric vehicles on the road? This is not just any motor. This is the brain and muscle of the modern EV performance. I am Abhishek and I work here at Mecwin Green Propulsions, and we are building a sustainable future. In this video, you will see the powerhouse Mecwin's mid-drive motors, engineered for precision, built for the future. This is our first motor. Now this is 3.2 kilowatt powered PMSM mid-drive motor, and this is mainly used for high-speed vehicles. Now the outer body is pressure die-casted according to the customer requirements. So this is a 1.2 kilowatt PMSM mid-drive motor having housing extrusion on the outer body. This motor is for low-speed vehicles, like it can be used for three-wheelers like e-rickshaws. Now for any kind of requirements, please call on this number and we will reach out to you. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.